Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today let's discuss how to bulk delete tweets on X. First of all, you have to know that X doesn't have a built-in bulk delete button. Instead, for this, you will use third-party tools, and for example, one of them is TweetDeleter, or also you can use another website, for example, TweetDelete. So here the process is very simple. First of all, you have to sign in with your X account, sign in to this website, and then it will allow you to set some filters. So tap filter here, and you can basically sort them, sort your posts by tweet type, by date, by keywords, time of the day, whatever, and then tap apply button and basically confirm the bulk delete action. But keep in mind that those services are not free, and you usually have to pay for unlimited or large-scale deletions. So, and another way that you have to manually delete all tweets that you no longer need in your X account. So let's open X and tap your profile picture in the top left, access your profile. And now you see that your profile is divided into several tabs right here. You have to go to posts and find specific posts that you want to delete. So tap next tap three-dot button next to it, like this, and select function delete post, and then confirm your decision by tapping delete button. And you have to repeat this for every single post that you want to delete, one by one basically. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.